In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can create a delta symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So open your Microsoft Word. Okay, so I already uh, stated in here the shortcuts that we need to follow in order to create the delta symbol. So the first thing that we need to do is to look at our keyboard if it has the numeric keypad, since not all of the model of laptops has a numeric keypad. So in that case, do not worry, we just have to open the on-screen keyboard of our Windows. Simply go to the Windows search bar and type on-screen keyboard, okay? So we're going to go first with the uppercase delta, so which is in the shortcut Alt plus 916, okay? So let's go quick into it. Press the Alt key on your keyboard. So while pressing the Alt key, it will be visible in blue color on the on-screen keyboard as an indicator that we have just pressed it. So while pressing it, press 916 on the numeric keypad, and that's it. This is the uppercase delta. Now let's go with the lowercase delta. It's in the shortcut Alt plus 235. So press Alt on keyboard and then 235 on the numeric keypad. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can easily create a delta symbol in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.